Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram message unavailable. If you're using Instagram and you're facing this type issue that your messages are unavailable or you're seeing sometimes this error, so let's see some possible fixes. So you just have to make sure that the person with which you are trying to chat or trying to see the message haven't deleted you. If the person has deleted you, or have blocked you, so you might see this type error, or the messages are not being deleted. So if the person has deleted the messages, so sometime it might help that you're unable to see the message. But if the person hasn't deleted you or blocked you on the messages are not deleted, but you are still facing this type issue, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to refresh your network. So sometime it might help that you have a weak network connection. So you might have this type errors. So I recommend you have to try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to close and relaunch your Instagram app. And once you have relaunched, it will fix if a temporary glitch or if it's still not fixed. So you can try to update your app, or you can also try to delete app and then completely reinstall it. So if there will be any bug or any malware with your app, it will be fixing this tab and you'll not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that the message has been blocked, or you have been blocked by the person, or the message has been deleted. So you're still seeing this type error again and again. So you're unable to see this message anymore. You have to try to ask that person to resend you that message. Otherwise, there's no any fix for this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.